Everyone, this is KG Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad go natin to reaction video. Ano to? Anong team to? Wait lang, anong team kaya to ang magpe-perform for today's video? Skip natin to. Anyways, hindi ko pa alam. But then again, without further ado, let's all watch this. Uy, ang ganda ng team Coachella. Ang ganda ng team Coachella. Totoo.
Saan ka magka-summer, bros?
Saan ako mag-summer? Baka magbakasyon na ako pabalik ng Belgium. Or,
Ay!
if hindi, celebrate kami ng mga batang Riles sa taping.
Ay, Belgium pala siya.
Belgium. Sample nga ng Belgium.
Hello, Idrins, Brucey, Rosen, here.
Ay! Taga Belgium pala siya. I love from Belgium pala.
Yes. Paratingin is parang giving honor to the LGBT community by
I love this.
Hindi namin sasabihin kung sino sa members namin, pero meron very talented ang mga drag queens namin. So sana
Ay.
kahit pa paano ma-channel namin
Ay,
yung
drag.
inner drag.
Hindi pwedeng sakto lang ang ganawan.
True.
Dapat extra.
Marami kaming gagawing outside of our comfort zones, but we'll make sure it's respectful to what the community stands for.
Yes.
Royce, Jay, at Derek ang makikita niyo.
Ay, talaga ba?
Handa na kayo.
Ay, si Hana.
Promise ko sa inyo, may magbo-bloom dito.
May
Sa
magbubloom?
mga kalaban namin,
Sino to?
bloom! Sashay away!
Siya very drag. What is the team? What team is this? Oh my God, ang ganda. Team Bloom Festival. Ay. Oh, sure. Do you believe in love? Do you believe in love and in love? I love this song. By Sure. Ay, bakit hindi tinuloy? Ay, pasabog. Ronnie Yang! Daddy, ay! Ate Kiros. Uy, I love the song. Okay. Wow. Si Martel. Saan naman yung kumanta nito? I know this. Ay, kamukha nun si Isabel. Anong kantang to? I forgot this. Ay, okay. What's next? What's next?
Looking for a good time. Gonna make that shake that money on the time. Don't need a sugar daddy. She be working just fine. Up on the table. She be hey.
Wow. Wow, Hana. Grabe si Hana.
On a good one upon the line. She say hey. Come to ladies, gotta give a little show. Hey. Come so much, you gotta show a little more. More. Hit it up. Won't let you rest. Hit it up. It's not a test.
Grabe yung boses ni Hana. I love it.
So get your ass up, show me how you do that.
Hit it up, hit it up. Grabe yung boses ni Hana.
Hit it up, it's
Go, Hannah. Show us what your mama gave ya. Ay, ganun ba talaga dapat yan, ma'am? Diva talaga si Hannah. I love it! Hindi ko alam kung may queendom yun. Feeling ko walang queendom ngayon eh. Ay, ito ba yung mga taga-Viva, Mga taga-Viva Films? Tama ba? Yung palagi kong tinatanong, sino na naman to? Ganon. Okay, what's next? Ay, hello? Ay, si River. Si River. Sayang wala si Julie dito, no?
So hold your head up, girl, and you won't go far. Listen to me when I say, I'm beautiful in my way, 'cause God makes no mistake. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't hide the
Okay.
regret, just love yourself and that's it. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way.
Diyos ko si River. Ang laking tao ni River eh. Oh my God. Oh, syempre. Ang laking tao pa naman ni River. Uy, I love the episode today. Live pa to sila, ha? This is a live, mga dear. Vogue. Ay, ito mga drag queens. Roy, si Rose Cabrera. Uy, totoo ba si Derek? Nag-shave pa talaga siya? I love it. Hallelujah! Oh my God, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng prod nila. I love it. Yes, si Patrick. Si Leonie rin. Lalaki pa naman si si Ronnie Liang. Utang na loob. Ay, tapos na?
Let's go!
Ang ganda ng prod nila. Ang ganda ng prod nila, in fairness. Ang ganda ng prod nila. Anyways, there you go guys. It is over for today's video from a team. Wait lang, ano nga team to? Team Bloom Festival. I love it. I love the Team Bloom Festival. Masaya siya. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!